Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to do a review on one of my favorite covers, the rollnlock E-Series all-metal electric cover. So let's come over and take the remote with us. So we got two remotes here, and what do we have? Well, we have a 22 Ram 2500 4x4 with the Cummins, wonderful color. Let's see if John can get a good look on how the cover looks. Before I go into all the features, I want you to take a good look on how nice this rolling cover looks. It really matches the truck. It's got a nice flush look here. I find the rollnlock one of the better looking covers, and that's why I want you guys to get a good look at it. Now this truck, if you notice, it's a little tall. 2500s run tall, but this has got a 6-inch lift with 37, so it's even taller. So John is up on something so you can actually look down and see this. We can't do our normal video. So now you got a good look at it. Let's go and see all the cool things. First, I'm going to push the button. Now, if you notice, I just pushed the button one time. So come over here, I can go ahead and just stop it like that. I can reverse it, come right back here. Basically, this is your button for the actual cover, and then there's a light button right over here, and I'll show you that in a minute as well. But the main thing about this, you can stop it anywhere along the track, and that's a really nice feature. So if you put in something in here, you want to kind of use the cover to hold it in place, you can do that. Nice thing is you can push the button, put your stuff down. Now I'm throwing my stuff in here. I'm not even messing with it. It's opening on its own. A really cool way to do this. I like this. Now let's go into some of the features here. Now I don't know if John, come over here now. I know you're up in there. So let's come in here and get a really good look. If you look inside there, the first thing you'll notice, there's a lot of space underneath that canister. Why is that good? Well, you can put more stuff in there. I mean, having a small canister leaves more space in the bed to use what you want. Also, if you notice, it's set up for a fifth wheel, and that should accommodate the fifth wheel as well. Now, if you look over here, if you notice, there is a little black cover that's in front of the canister. Now, the benefit of that is real simple. You got the canister which has the cover in it, and then you have that little cover sticks out about 1 inch. That is to protect the canister. Something slides forward, and instead of hitting the canister and damaging it, it's going to hit the cover, and the cover can be fixed and replaced. So that's really, really easy to do. Now let's swing around camera around here, and let's take a look at this side over here. And if you look over here, if you take a look here, this is basically an emergency switch. And this is in case the cover was not to work. You can pull it and release it and still open the cover. So that's a real nice feature. Now, let's go into the LED light in this. Now again, here's your little button here, right there in the middle. And it is in the center of the canister. And at night, it does a great job of lighting up this bed. Even during the day, it's a sunny day, you can see it very clearly. All in all, it's a great light, and I like that a lot. So again, you go ahead and push the button here, and it will close it up very nice. Now this is going to come with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. So rollnlock is going to put 3 years on it. Now if it's professionally installed by us, guess what you get? You get double the warranty from Truck Heroes. Now the bad news with that is it's not forever, and it has to be professionally installed. So a year from now, if you see the video, you might say, you know what, I want that professional installed with the extra warranty. I'm going to say, no, that is not available at this time. So make sure you get these right now so you can get that extra warranty. Now anything we install is going to give you 1-year labor guarantee. So anything here needs adjustment, stuff like that, that's all taken care of. If you look in here, you can see how bright that light is now. Also, you can notice the drainage system is to the left and to the right. Now we did not put it in the floor. Why? Well, if you're putting lumber in there, if it's in the floor, guess what? You might knock it out, and we don't want that. I had one of my dealerships I used to do a lot of business with, and apparently they decided, hey, let's do the installs ourselves. Well, guess what? They called me up. They're having problems. It's not working right. It's got water issues, all kinds of issues. I go in there, and they're like, oh, you put this in. And I looked inside, and I said, nope, didn't do it. How do you know you didn't do it? I go, because the drainage system is in the floor. I don't put them in the floor. Oh, yeah, well, our guy, we want to have our guy do it. And I'm like, so you didn't do it right. I go, he's good changing oil, not necessarily putting covers on. So you want a professional to do this. I've been doing this a long time, and I know all the little tricks and trades on this. So I'll make sure it's done right, and that's real important. So again, I love this setup. It's so easy. Just push the button. I got one of these on order for my personal truck, and when that comes in, I will do a video for that. And if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all our new products. And again, hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. We appreciate it. And it helps with the YouTube algorithms, the YouTube things. I can't say what it is, but also, if you want to purchase this, call us at the store. You can ask for John, who's behind the camera. You can ask for Chris, Buddy, Dave. Any of us can help you out. And it's better to call us, because if you have questions, we can answer them. If you're dealing with someone who doesn't know the product, they might sell you something that doesn't work for your particular vehicle, because there is some, as you know, with the multifunction tailgates, not everything works with it on the Rams, and there's a lot of variables out there that people who are not familiar with this do not know, but we do. Again, if you like this, give us a call, come to the store, go to our website. The store phone number is in the bottom of the video. Don't use the one off the truck in the back, okay? Use the store number. It's better to get a hold of people that way. And again, just give us a call. Thank you very much. This is Chris from C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, doing a review on the Roll N Lock E-Series all metal cover on the brand new 22 Ram 2500. Thank you.